Hello everybody, in today's video we'll be doing a quick drive-through of Awka, the capital city of Anambra State, the southeast of Nigeria. I also done a drone shot of this capital city. In case you haven't watched it, I'll link it up here so you can also watch and see how the state looks like. But in this drive-through today, you'll also be learning a little bit more about Anambra State from the indigenes themselves. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and also watch other videos that you might find interesting.
In Igbo land, not just as per Anambra, though Anambra is seen as an epitome of Igbo culture, you see the Anambra people going into the masquerading thing, that kind of thing. And again, blessed is Anambra, especially here in Awka. Awka is known for Igbo thing. It's culturally their own.
Anambrans are known, number one, they have a united mind. In Nigeria, Anambra is there in attitude, good character, and cultural everything. Another one, Anambra has love. They can help one another. They have intermarriage and everything. If you want to see love, come to Anambra. If you give Anambra a portion of land, he will develop it, whether he is in his town. And Anambarian go to Kano, Kaduna, Sokoto, Maiduguri, and develop. We are known for where we are, we make it a habitual place. So that is our culture.
Anambra State is known for receiving people, welcoming people, hospitality, and very industrious people. If you go all over Nigeria, over the world, you see Anambra people, very, very hardworking. You go around Nigeria, any good business you see that is moving on, any good structure you see that is there, it is erected by Anambra people, especially Anambra people, from the Igbo race. So that is one thing about Anambra State, very enterprising, very industrious, very hardworking, and we enterprise so much and develop.
In Anambra State, the food, the cuisine, Anambra cuisine are like, everybody likes them. These are the different things that we eat, like roast yam, roast plantain, opaka, ogiri, ede, akede, these are also part of our culture and tradition, that we know. Then there are some ceremonies that we observe. For example, the Ibamkuwani, what people call wine carrying. That's a traditional wedding. That's also something to look out for in Anambra State. Of course, there's also, before the Ibamkuwani, there's also the Imego. That's when you go to pay the bride price. So these are all the various ceremonies.
In education, the Anambra were among the first to embrace education with the contacts of the white man, and ever since they have toured. The first African and black to author a book in English language, Olauda Ekwino, is from Iseke in Anambra State. The Zik of Africa, Dr. Nnamdi Azikiwe, Nwafọ Orizu, Professors Chinua Achebe, Chikobi, Philip Emeagwali, Dr. Alex Ekweme, Iwe Professor Chukwemekike, to mention but a few, are popular legends of Nigeria that are from Anambra State. In the contemporary times, the likes of Professor Stella Okunna, Chimamanda Ngozi Adichie, Professor Charles Ebu, and many others continue to make the state proud. Average Onye Anambra believes in his Chi and Chukwuokike Abiama, and as such, their derived names reflect this belief system, such as Chukwukadibia, Chide, Chinwe, Chiamaka, and many others. They also pay allegiance to their Chi. While in the Anambra seem to be inseparable from their traditional beliefs, they also embraced Christianity. The strategic and towering All Saints Cathedral Onitsha is a clear indication of the role the state played in spreading Christianity in Nigeria and in the eastern part of the country from the 18th to 19th centuries. The first black man to attain the highest position in the Roman Catholic Church, Francis Cardinal Arinze, is also from Anambra. There is a large population of Roman Catholics, Anglicans, and Pentecostal believers in the state. On the economic aspect, Ndị Igbo has 4 market days known as Eke, Orie, Afo, and Nkwo, which are made popular by each community in the sale of local commodities. This is no different in Anambra. These markets form the melting point for everyone. The enterprising nature of Anambra blossomed into different massive markets. The popular main market sited in Onitsha is one of the biggest in West Africa. From these markets, other markets sprang up like building materials Obunike, shoe manufacturers Nkwele Izunaka, Abada Market Bridgehead Onitsha, Spare Parts Market Nnewi, Grain Seeds Market Onitsha, Bakery de la Sogidi, Bridgehead Market Onitsha, Old and New Spare Parts Nkwo, Electrical Parts Market Obosi, Electronic Dealers Onitsha, Nkwo Nnewi, Awka, Ekekwulobia, Oyago Market, and several other big markets, accounting for over 63 different major markets in the state.
Enugu, if you ask me, I'll say one thing that we are known for, we are warm and large-hearted people. We're very welcoming, If you have friends from Enugu, try and visit them, they will want to almost, in quote, kill you with food and goodies and good time. So there's a saying we have in our community, so what that means is, we like sharing, whether with our brothers and sisters or with people visiting the community. So that's number one. Well, number two, also, we're very industrious, we're very hardworking, we're very honest, truthful people. And, that's it really. We're just, regular folks who want to be happy, live and let live, and all that.